I will show you a mid-length hairstyle. First, I section and clip the hair in areas above temples and crown. And then adjust hair volume below these areas. Adjust hair volume appropriately at hair roots, the middle of the hair and hair ends. I do not want to adjust too much hair volume at upper sections, so I only use 2 scissors to finish texturizing. Before getting a perm, I use Vern's latest secret product, 6EF, to do styling. It can make the curls obvious and 3-dimensional after a perm. Please leave your valuable comments or questions in the comment section under the video. Next, I use 2 Vern styling scissors to cut the length quickly. Applying this way of texturizing to cut can create natural, but not too thin effects at the hair ends. Please leave your valuable comments or questions in the comment section under the video. Lastly, blow dry and style. This hairstyle is done. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern Scissors? Get more details in description.